Maybe it's time you when the tables turn, cause in the interest of all involved, I got the problem solved, and the British culture. Yeah, no girl, mate, tell me where you've been to try and stop, drop, and roll. You were dead from the get-go, been motherfucker. Triple got stuck away, scared of me now, then you tell me that I thought always is and never was. Don't measure me to piss and vinegar. Don't tell me actually, think I fear your bullshit. Just another dumb bro, jumping up this shit. It's another way to break through the noise. From the center that it's had, you got your pen. Gotta be that way if you want it. Sanity, literal profanity, yeah, man. Smash! It's time to bury your ass with the chrome straight to the dome. You hear me right, bitch? I didn't stun. And if you know it's good, just shut up and fake, brother. Back down. Don't you know you're distance? That's why I'm picking up the odds that you get shot. Making a minute back, boy, I don't hear shit, cause I keep sitting louder. Come on, I got a face full of tactic, living up far, going home in a basket. You gotta pull the power, no, nothing nice, that shit. Well, ain't that something? Pay off, don't protect. And you can out if you want, but I'll find you coming up behind you. Spin it out. All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out. Smash it out. All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is stamp you out.